Alright guys, got a 2023 Charger Superbee edition. He came in, we did a mid-delete, and then we did 2 5-inch tips on the back, 2 alternating colors, so we'll let you guys see it. This is a style that we haven't done before, so I wanted to show you guys that we'll do anything. Whatever you ask, we can do. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Goes down to the factory X pipe, and that's where we cut the mid resonators off, right there and right there. Place them with 3-inch pipe, and then we left the stock readers on, and we put a red tip on the left side and a blue tip on the right side. Out the back, there it is. One of a kind, first, that I've seen at least. There it is right there. So we did a mid-delete, left the rears on, and then I'll change the rear tips with 5-inch double wall, red and blue. They're both from the Tommy. So there you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. There's the factory mids that were on his and the factory tips that were on his. That's another car. But factory tips, factory mids. Let you guys hear it. Just a mid-delete. Mid-delete hit 119. Go ahead. Hit 119 a second ago. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '23 Charger Superbee edition. We did a mid-delete, and then we did 5-inch red and blue double wall angle cut.